Right now, showers and thunderstorms are sitting over the Bahamas, and eventually, pretty quickly here this afternoon, we'll see about a 50 to 60% chance of some wet weather right here in southwest Florida. This line is beginning to taper off, and as we look from Naples up through Port Charlotte, it's fairly quiet, but we are starting to see some development now between Venice and Sarasota, stretching into the northern parts of DeSoto County, and you can see these showers starting to develop to the south. This is the southern edge there of a cold front, and this is where we'll start to see the initial development here over the next couple of hours. And we've got a couple of very small showers there near Port Charlotte and Punta Gorda. Let me show you how the computer model is handling this. Keep your eye there at the top of the screen, and you can see the showers and thunderstorms developing there on the south side of the front and moving through there by lunchtime, and by 2-3 o'clock starting to pull inland. So we do have the potential there for some wet weather, and a little earlier. It's not our typical rainy season pattern where we see sunshine and then between 4 and 8 we get some of the larger storms. This front is moving very slowly here, but eventually should start to move out late in the week, where we'll keep at least a 50% chance of rain there Thursday and Friday. Yesterday, most of the rainfall was north, so Naples and Fort Myers, nothing in the rain gauge, while Punta Gorda picked up almost 1/4 of an inch. And with some sunshine, temperatures hit 91. That is our average for this time of year, and you can see the record 96 on all three locations, with the record set back in 1989 for Punta Gorda. So this morning, you're waking up warm and humid. We've got mid to upper 70s, and as we take a look outside there, Punta Gorda is at 77, and this camera looks from the Sunseeker into Punta Gorda, and you can see nice and quiet. Sunrise comes up there at 7:05. This afternoon, we'll see temperatures in the low 90s to the south, where we get a little more cloud cover closer to the front. We'll be there in the upper 80s. So as this front slowly starts to drag its way out, we'll get back to a more typical rainy season pattern there on Thursday, but about a 50-50 shot there to wrap up the week. So for tomorrow, rain chances are down a little bit. You can see it's a little more isolated and a little more inland there through the late evening hours. Quick check of the tropics. Tropical storm Fernan is moving there near Bermuda, and very quickly this thing is going to weaken. Right now, winds are at 45 miles per hour, and the forecast calls for this to weaken into a remnant low by tomorrow. No other area being monitored right now for the Hurricane Center, and that means we're going to wrap up August nice and quiet. Temperatures get a little cooler with a little extra cloud cover over the weekend.